Your 2015-2023 Dodge Challenger, including Hellcat models, uses a CR2032 battery in its key fob. When you see a key fob battery low message on your instrument cluster or notice the fob's range decreasing, it's time for replacement. You'll need a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or key fob pry tool. First, locate the seam on the fob. Insert the screwdriver into the seam and gently pry the two halves apart, avoiding excessive force. Remove the old battery, noting which side faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side up. Snap the fob back together. Test the fob by pressing the buttons. It should unlock the car. If the key fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, try reprogramming it. Do this by pressing the lock button 3 times within 10 seconds while standing near the vehicle. Common issues include moisture damage, especially in humid climates. Keep the fob dry to prevent corrosion. For Hellcat models, be mindful of the panic button. Always use a high-quality CR2032 battery for longer life and reliability. Some users report up to 50% longer life with premium brands. Dealerships typically charge $10 to $20 for this service, so DIY replacement can save you money. If problems persist, consult a certified mechanic or your Dodge dealership.